Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change auto reset time on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what we need to do is we need to press the home button right here to open up the menu. So click on the menu now. Here we need to go over to Preferences and here go to Timer/Energy Settings. Now here, what we need to do is we need to click on the auto reset time, which is 2 minutes. And here we can set this function either on or off. And here we can also enable it and customize it. We can add the minutes. So for example, 9 minutes, and then we can apply the setting. So as you guys can see, now those settings are configured, and now I'll show you another way of doing that. So here we are at the website of our printer. Let's go to Settings/Registration, and here go to Timer Settings. Here, let's click on Edit, and now here we will have the Use Auto Reset Time and Set Time from 1 to 9 minutes. Here, Function after Auto Reset, here we can select Default Function or Selected Function, and that's basically how we can change that. So now let's say I want it at 5 minutes, and it will also apply for our printer. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.